Okay, we're getting there. So what needs to happen now is that a label needs to get created, maybe up here, or maybe up here, or maybe even down here, somewhere where this message is going to get displayed. But it can't go here. Okay. So for the Caesar, aside from the placement of the error message, things are pretty good. For the Vigenère, I'm not going to worry about that today because there's still some stuff with this Caesar that is problematic. Not a big deal, but needs attention. So let's see what we got. Actually, let me just demonstrate it. So if I take this as a test, let's put a period on it. Why not? If I take the sentence, this is a test, and I'm going to do a Caesar cipher on it, I'm going to put an offset. Let's just do 0. And then let's process it. And obviously I get the same message back. So that's a good thing. Now let's just give it a 1 and process it. And now you can see it's been encoded or encrypted. And let's just try 2. Okay, that's fine. Let's try -2. That's fine. All that is good, as to be expected. But if we look at this code, we can see that the check here for the new index, if it's greater than 25, she's going to subtract 26, which is fine if it's just a little greater than 25. But what if it's 100? When she subtracts 26, it's going to go from 100 to 74, which is going to be outside the range. Let me show you what I mean. 100. This is a test. Caesar encode. And we get it's out of range. And so now, and there's nothing wrong with 100 or any number. So there's a couple of different ways of doing this. You can take this offset here that gets passed in here. And you can mod it up here to keep it within a certain range. And that might be the easiest and the cleanest way to do this. So instead of just adding this here, let's just take this and let's just mod it with 26. So now the offset will never be more than 25. So if we add no more than 25, adding no more than 25, then we can subtract 26 to pull it back within the range, because we need it to go from 0 to 25 to fit in this list of letters. Okay, so let's save, stop, run. This is a test, and I'm going to stop capitalizing that because it doesn't work anyway. This is a test. And then I'm going to put in 100. I'm going to do a Caesar encode, and it didn't crash, as it should. And I know that's short, But I think that's enough for this, that little correction there.